Hello, Cadis friends. This is Teacher Claudio for another SolidWorks lesson. Uh, you can start the SolidWorks icon on desktop and you can start the part workbench SolidWorks. Today we're going to correct some exercise from last class. I left for you two exercises. This one and this one. The first one is Revolution, solid created by Revolution. I decided I'm going to use the front plane, and I'm going to choose this corner right here as my origin point in the profile of this cat. So let's begin. Right click on front plane, use cat shortcut, right click, display grid, and press S key to enable line command, and try to create here the profile. And right now I committed a mistake. As you can see, there is the perpendicular relation here. We're gonna have to delete this relation, because if you do not, this line and this line will have the angle of 90 degrees. Let's create some dimensions. Oh no, sorry guys. First I want you guys to create the center line, the subject of our last class. Right here. I could create it above, but I prefer down here. Now let's set some dimensions. Same dimensions as the exercise. When you create a dimension, use the right click to fix the direction of that dimension. If you do not use the right click, the dimension can take different direction. I could use this line and set a horizontal dimension here, but instead of that, I'm going to select this axis line and this vertical line. Maybe if you're gonna happen to see this condition. This condition is diameter condition, but I'm gonna talk about this in the future classes. Right now I'm gonna leave dimension in this side. Oh boy. Let's create it again. Right. As you can see, my profile is all black, what means that is defined, but yet I want to create more dimension. In this case, dimension will be driven, not driving, alright? Cannot be driving. This one is the main dimension, and this one is the secondary dimension. Now let's set the values. Alright, that's it. Let's just move the dimensions to be more visible. Okay. You can exit this cat and you can use revolution command. I do not need to select the axis line because I rather use a center line here. Okay. This construction line is the same as your axis of revolution. Okay. Now just confirm this, and I would like to change the color. You can use a right click on the top of your part specifications, the part specifications. You can go here to appearance again, and I'm going to use yellow. You can use the color that you want. Right, guys? Very well. You can close, do not need to save. Let's finish the next one. The next one is this one. It's a solid created by extrusion. I decided I'm going to use the front plane, and I'm going to use the left lower corner as the origin point. Right click on front plane, sketch shortcut, right click, display grid, use line command, created the profile before, and then you can create some dimensions. Guys, please try to put dimensions in a visible space, because if you do not take good care of the position of your dimensions, you can create a sketch with a wrong position of interpretations. I mean, if the dimensions are not well positioned in your drawing, you maybe can commit some mistakes. Right here, my drawing has dimensions one above others. This is wrong. Avoid this kind of situation. Try to move the dimensions to take more space. I don't like that test height of the SolidWorks is too big. In my opinion, the numbers should be smaller than this. In the future, we're going to change that. I'm going to create two more dimensions, one here and one here, as dimension driven as well. And now another thing, look that some dimensions are the same. This 40, like for example, I'm going to use here the links value condition. You must hold Control key and then right click link values. I'm going to name as A, and I'm going to set the dimension here and press OK. Alright, if you by mistake do not select the right one, for example here, right click, link values, I'm gonna choose A and press OK. You see? Now, if you change the dimension, don't worry, just change one of them and the others will come as well. Sorry, let's do it. Okay, for some time I did not mention that link values. Now this one here too. Link values. I'm gonna call B 15. Okay. All right. This one's 30. 75. Okay, that's it. So, like I mentioned before, pay attention to the sketch position. Do not let the numbers too close of one of. Oh, sorry. Because if you do not, if you can see very well the dimensions of your profile, this can result in some mistakes and errors. Avoid that condition. You can exit the sketch and look for the extrusion command. And select the sketch one. Alright, 25, enter. That's it. Right click on the top, appearance. Gonna put the screen. Alright. Alright guys, that's it for today. To see the whole course, look for the playlist on the channel. You will see other CAD programs in our channel. Do you like this video? Please leave some comments. Any doubts I will answer in the comments. Subscribe to the channel. Look for us in Facebook, LinkedIn. Share or indicate our channel with your friends. And if you want private lessons, video courses, ebooks, and other stuff, please use the website on the description of this video. See you guys in your next video. Have a nice day and may God be with you.